Hello and welcome back to another video of how to make a platformer game, but this is part 3. So as you know, if you haven't checked out part 1, part 2, go check it out right now. It's in my channel only. So yeah, well, now what we can do is we have all of these. Look at this. We made it. Okay, this I don't think so you guys made it. I made it by myself. So go ahead, try making it. It's pretty easy. I'll just tell you how to. To make this, it's very simple. You just have to draw some triangles and fill the color. Fill with. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Fill with the color. You see, this is a plain normal color. Now fill the color with the swap, right to left. So you can get a effect like this, I guess. Yeah, you'll get a effect just like a shade thingy. Now as you can see, it looks very good. So yeah, let's quickly get back. We made the acid chocolate in the last video, but if the guy runs to the acid chocolate, what the heck? It's not even falling. Okay, so if the guy runs into the acid chocolate, it will fall, right? Definitely. Okay, it kind of speed is so much and before even it falls, it gets up. It's actually not that. Okay, so it touches the acid chocolate, doesn't die, it's just living its own life. To fix that, you go to the code and right over here where you made when I receive start jump, even at right arrow keys, there's not over there but in two areas. No, not compulsory, just add it in one area because it's a forever loop. So add it over here and go to the sensing and take the color touching this color, which is the bumps of the acid chocolate. If it's touching that color, then it is supposed to go, it's gonna be delivered back to its position, and that's how you can make this guy die. Wait, what? Okay, it needs a little time. So as you can see, if it touches that acid chocolate, it immediately dies. But wait, I clicked the flag. Why isn't it going to the level 1? It's directly on level 2. So if you don't want that, you can go to the code. Wait, I kind of made a mistake. See inside, I clicked the scratch icon. Okay, so let's get back to our project. As you can see, there's no set to level 1 when flag is clicked. So that's what we're gonna do. We go to looks and switch costume to level 1. Now it's in level 1. Wait, what? After it jumps, it gets super fast. Let's see that. That's kind of weird. Is this 5? It's kind of rocking fast. Dang fast. This is fast. Okay. So it's kind of too fast, which is pretty awkward. I don't want it to be that fast. Let's just change it to 6.5, okay? Because it was very fast. Negative 6.5. I don't know, is that even a number? But let's just see. 6.5. Negative 6.5. Let's just check that out now. It's gonna be a little slower. As you can see, when it jumps, it gets a little faster. I don't know what is that problem, but yeah. So now we're in the next level. Oh my god, it's rapid speed. Speed is rapid. But when it jumps, the speed is kind of slow, but when it walks usually. So just reduce the walk's normal speed and then negative 5. Increase this to 7 and negative 7. So this is how you can make them both like kind of equal. I don't know why is this even happening, but yeah. Now you can see that normal speed is kind of slow, but the jump is kind of faster. And if it touches the acid chocolate, it's sent back to the original position. Yeah, so that was how you can make it die. So, and another part of today, cause it only has been 5 minutes, is making the trap. Okay, what's this? This level has a trap over here, so we can show this. So I wanted to show how I not come up because it's gonna be a little awkward. Not gonna be that rapid fast. And yeah, to make that happen, what we want to do is add another if then. If then, go to the looks. I think so. No. Yeah. If then costume number equals to, so over here we can check its own costume and what does it equal to. So if then costume number equals to, costume number means over here you can see these small ones. Costume number equals to 3, so this is what we are hunting for. Not hunting, I'll say costume number equals to 3. Then we are going to I'm getting a little confused right now. Broadcast a message, which is in the events, I guess. Broadcast a message called start traps. So over here we can say when I receive start traps, it is gonna show, and when flag click, it's gonna hide. And then now we want it to close traps. So if the costume number equals to not 3, then it's gonna, if then, costume number equals to, let's put it or instead, or equals to, I don't know what am I doing, equals to, equals to 4, let's say 4, because it didn't start. Then we have to broadcast a message called close traps. Oh my god, what did I even type? Close traps. And when I receive close traps, it's going to hide instead. So this is how, oh my god, what am I doing it? So this is how you can show the traps, and if you're in the next level, it's going to hide the traps. So yeah, that's one idea that you can do. Or else, yeah. Or you can say greater than 3, but if you want to add more traps on other levels, then that's... So let's just see how does that work. Let's see. Okay, we're kind of slow. Let's boost ourselves up by jumping. Made it. And as you can see, it shows, but in a little delay. That's because of this. In the if then there's wait 1 second. So it's gonna wait 1 second after the player touches and activate both of these, because it's running only one if then in a time. Scratch runs only one if then in a time. That's a big major problem for our code. Let's just take another one Flackling to fix that problem. So yeah, boost yourself by jumping, and you can see that it's activated. Yeah, but the spike is already always here. So if you want to make the spike go up down, feel free to increase the size of this. So you can increase the size of this by just changing it like this, I guess. Sorry for the background sound. So after you do that, I was saying, yeah, after you do that, you cannot increase it much in length. After this, you just increase a little size of these, and now and just check that the player can't jump through it. Yeah, so the player can't jump through it. That's the main thing you guys have to. What? Why are there two? Oh no. Wait, whoa. Oh, okay, I don't know what's that problem, but not a problem. So as you can see, if the player tries to jump, it won't make it. It'll just hit the spikes. Now that's perfect. What we're gonna do is after start trap, close trap, we're gonna show wait 0.5 seconds. No, 0.7 seconds, I'll say, hide. So this is gonna repeat 10 times, let's say, or 100 times. Just infinite times. So to do it infinite, let's just take a forever loop. So yeah, now as you can see, jump over that. Why isn't it show hiding? Okay. Oh, okay, alright, I get it. So it's continuously broadcasting star traps, which is a problem cause the costume number is 3, then broadcast star traps. So if it continuously broadcasts star traps, it doesn't get the time to detect the lower part. So this is a lot of bugs in this program, I know. To fix that, what we can do is, when I receive star traps, we can say another broadcast. Start traps to. I don't think so this might work, but let's just give it a try. And stop this script, and that also in forever. So now it won't broadcast again, I hope. And now when I receive start trap 2, then it's gonna do this. I don't know, will that even work? Oh shoot, I died. And that still doesn't make it. Okay, that's kind of funny. Got it. Then what we can do is switch costume to level 4. Okay, so guys, we can duplicate this, and this is simply level 4. Now it won't do anything. I kind of figured that out from, I guess, one of my old projects, and we can delete that. So now you can see that it's gonna switch to level 4, which is the same identical level as the level, and the tracks doesn't even show. Start traps. It broadcasted start traps and switched to level 4. Oh, okay, and if this is level 5, then only. So this is how you can make it. It's very simple, I know. Not that simple, but yeah. Finally fixed the bug. Okay, and now I got the problem. This is kind of too fast, that's why. Now let's see them. Receive start traps. What happened? Okay, so yeah, we actually made it. Finally made it. So we want to see if it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. Yay! And we want to add a OR on this so that it dies when it's touching duplicate. No. If it's touching the sprite, cause it's another if it's touching spikes. So yeah, that is. Oh, if it hides, does it count? I really don't know. Ow. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. So, oh right, yeah, it doesn't count, but if it's, oh no, I died. So this is a very simple way that you can make your platformer script, platformer game. Part 4 is coming out soon. Do like, share and comment. Check out any of these videos YouTube is recommending, and check out the Scratch playlist to find out more Scratch videos, and subscribe. So yeah, meet you in part 4.